Hi friends, I just received this product today and I'm gonna install it with you. It's like a table, but let me show you the things that this table have some special. So the first thing that I like to say is that this table makes so easy for you work in your home. If you work in your home constantly, this table makes it more easy that for you because you can use it to eat, to work, to see a movie. Have in this part, have this base to put your tablet or your iPad, and I think that is perfect because make more practical that you can use other things like write or read or maybe eat and use your device at the same time. So let's go install this table. So this is the user manual. Okay. This one. So as easy like that, you have your table already armed, as you can see. And this part, you can put it, let me check. Here in the part that I just showed you a minute ago. And this is for your tablet or iPad. Let me show you more close. With these secures, you can put it here. So you could be in your home, watching a movie on the TV where your tablet here, working. You can be drinking a coffee, eating, and using your tablet at the same time. So you can work, you can read, you can see a movie with easy way with this table that is black. So I think that is more easy to combine in any area of your home. You can use it in your living room, in your room. So I highly recommend this table.